Hey everybody, let's talk about your brand for a second. You know the feeling when you look at your logo, your website, or even your Instagram grid and think, something feels off, but you can't quite name it? That tiny itch is your brand trying to get your attention. A branding audit is basically sitting your brand down for a warm, honest heart-to-heart. And it always reveals way more than people would expect. Let's talk about your brand identity. Does your logo reflect who you are right now? Do your colors and fonts look consistent between your website, Facebook page, emails? Or does every platform feel like it was designed by a different person? Then there's your messaging. In other words, how you communicate who you are to your audience. It can be subtle, but it's really important for building trust and being consistent and more omnipresent online. Sometimes your offers evolve, but your words don't. Your tone might feel friendlier, more confident, and more you, but your website is still speaking about the old version of you from 5 years ago. And now for the trickiest part, your brand experience. This is what dictates how your audience feels when they land on your website, read your emails, or interact with your content. Does the experience match the promise? A branding audit shows you what to keep, what to tweak, and what to lovingly let go of without needing a full rebrand. And here's the magical part. Once you see your brand clearly, every decision becomes easier. Your design choices, your content, your SEO, everything just clicks into place. So if your visuals or messaging feel almost right but not quite, you might be due for a gentle refresh, not a whole rebrand and reinvention. Tiny wins, big wins. Your brand deserves to feel like home again. For more information, come visit us at creativesparrow.digital.